Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about some of the common organizing mistakes. You know, sometimes people just feel that if everything's out of sight, it's out of mind. Well, you know, if your mind is organized, then you're going to know that you have put things away in specific places. But if your mind is full of clutter and your life is so busy that you have no idea what's coming or going, then yes, you probably need to have everything out in order to remember what you have and don't have. But let's face it, we can't live like that. We can't have all of our pots and pans that we like to use out on display, or our mixers, or, you know, every pair of shoes or outfit that we like. We do have to tuck things away. So don't make that mistake of that out of sight, out of mind. Another common mistake is that people think that they need to be perfectionists, that they need to have everything perfect in order to be able to either get organized, to start getting organized, or to stay organized. But this is not true. It's better to at least get started and to try to keep it sort of not perfect, but just well organized, and to get at least started with the process of organizing and downsizing. Keep it simple, sweetie. You know, that's my motto. Another common mistake is that people feel that they need to purchase all kinds of organizing gadgets and bins and hooks and all kinds of things in order to be organized. Well, you know, that's kind of like having a treadmill and looking at it and thinking that you're going to be fit. That's not the way that works. So you want to wait until you have done all your sorting and purging and tossing, and then see what kind of bins you need and what kind of organizing solutions that you need in order to be able to put your things away in the space that you have with the quantity of the things that you have. There's more tips below, so check them out in this article on common organizing mistakes, and be sure to leave a comment in the box below about what's one thing that you've tried that you love that's working for you. And another thing too, share the love by sharing this link with your family and friends and on your social media. In the meantime, check out GettingItTogether.ca.